Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the one how to become international sportsman. Whoever has got interest in sports and what exactly the opportunities are there in Indian Navy by joining Navy MR or SSR, and what exactly the sports quota and what they will do in a Navy, how they can go up to international level. As you can see, one of my friend Murli, he was a 100 kg body builder and one of the finest world champion of champion. So he had got the award. Let us see what exactly you have to do. Initially, as usual, he recruited along with me during the time of 2004 as a normal notification. You must have the 10th or 12th standard, depends on your qualification. Then you will directly recruit in the Navy with the exam, but you will be given the preference of marks with the sports quota. If you are not a sports quota also, if you have the interest as well as your performance is good, then you will be recognized in Navy. What exactly the procedure is, I am just telling you. So you have to apply as per the 10th or 12th standard with the age requirement, the same criteria. And once the exams are finished, then you will directly once you are selected in physical as well as merit list, then you will be sent for the basic training in Chilka. There are few international sportsmen directly get recruited and they will be sent directly to the Chilka without exams or anything. They will be directly conducting the tests. The allocation of professional branch as per their performance as well as their studies. If they are good at studies, depends on the branch will be given. Whatever the cook and steward branch will be given if they are applying for 10th standard, that is NMR. If they are applying for SSR as well as artificer apprentice, that depends, and the branches will be allocated as per their qualification. Now after this completion of this, you will be, once you are finished with the whatever the training during the training of the Chilka, so your performance will be shown over there and you will be recognized from that place to the respective places wherever there is sports, and you will be sent to the respective places. If you have performed very well, and then after the completion of that 4 months of Chilka training, that is basic training, you will be further sent to onboard ships. That ships here depends, again you have the sports and all, and whatever the matches will be there, then you will be sent on board the ship. From further, again you will be sent onto the different places for the respective fields instead of working on the ships. After this completion of this training, you will be sent for the professional training. Once you worked on board ships or you are going through that, then you will be again transferred to the respective professional schools, and you will be taught whatever the professional concerning knowledge minimum you should have, because once you leave the whatever the sports, you have to work towards that profession. So you will be given the professional training, and followed by the maiden posting will be given, depends on the performance of the individual. If he is performed well and he is fit and fiddle, then he will be transferred to the respective ships or establishments. If he is a good sportsman and if he is doing good, then after that he will be sent to the respective places, and again he will be sent for the nationals and international depending upon their performance. Before going to the international, they have to compete with the Army, Red, Air Force, and you have to be good enough in rocking in all the places. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. More than 800 plus question papers have been given, guys. Have a look. This channel is one of the finest channel which are very useful for all competitive exams. Next, the promotion in the branch as per the performance will be given. Once you are clear in the all professional as well as you will be given the nature of promotion, that will be like this. You will have the officer's rank is different and the sailor's rank is different. As you can see, the sailor's rank seaman 2 and 1, followed by leading and petty officer, chief petty officer and master chief petty officer 2 and 1. So this is what exactly you will see the rank structure of the Navy. So you can directly go through whatever has been given, the officer's rank structure and the sailor's rank structure. This is what from the lower rank to the upper rank. Have a snapshot of it and go through that. So if your performance is good in national as well as international level, if you even get the medals of gold and silver, even in the Olympic also you will be encouraged to go there. Once you crack those medals, then you will be given a promotions to the various places. So please remember, the more you get the medals, the merrier you get the promotion. So that is what. But you cannot jump from the sailor to the officer. That can only be happened with the honorarium. If you are good enough in education and you can clear all the exams, then you can get the promotion of sub-lieutenant if you clear through the various higher examinations. For the people, whoever is good and he wants to proceed in the Navy team, then he has to prove himself in the command, whatever the command. Here the common man people and the promotions will be given. You have to go through the command, whatever the athletics you have, whatever the sports, hockey, football, volleyball, whatever the sports you have to perform well in the command level and play with the naval team. If you get selected in Navy team, again you will be having the competition with them. If your performance is good, and you can join in the Navy team and followed by the respective tri-services, as well as you will have the championships and followed by the international level also you can reach. So this is one thing for the common man. Don't think that, even in my case, I was a good athlete. I had run near about 4 kilometers in 13 minutes to 20 seconds. That is one thing you have to remember. That timing is one of the finest timing. And after that, in the Navy team, I have not got selected because I got a shin bone pain. Because of that, I was failed to compete in the Navy championship. So I had come and withdrawn my athletic career. So don't worry, if you are fit and fiddle, then you can directly go through the Navy team also. So once you join command team, once you got selected, then you will perform, your performance is good, then you will join in the Navy team. As you can see, the Navy team, how exactly they looks like, that is a one football team of Indian Navy. So the team directly goes to the respective tri-services and followed by the international level. You can see here my friend to the right side, Murli, he is the bodybuilder of 100 kg bodybuilder. He had won the world bodybuilding championship, that is champion of championship. So whole world is not a joke, guys. Arnold Schwarzenegger, he was a number one. The same manner he had also got that bodybuilding championship. So you can see the performance, he had done it. He had got the promotion up to the Master Chief first class. And he is one thing you have to see how exactly he had made his career in the Indian Navy. He had only spent the time, the naval tenure and the whole time in building the body and recognizing India into the various fields. As you can see, the shooting, Omkar Singh, he is the guy who is a common guy who had selected through the SSR type, that is MER examinations, and followed by that exam he was good at Chilka in the shooting. So he had got selected from Chilka, and in that shooting team again he had been recognized Indian Navy team, and he had chosen the 10-meter air pistol. Now he got the various medals in various places. So he even got the promotions of Master Chief up to Master Chief also. He is one of the finest one. And the boxing also, whoever interested in boxing, he can go through. If he is practicing from the childhood, you can directly jump into the boxing field also. And the wrestling also, there are various wrestlers who are playing and recognizing Indian Navy. So you can do the wrestling. Haryana is maximum. Athletics, we knew that athletics in Kerala, maximum the people from the Kerala, they encourage in joining in athletics. So as you can see, either Manas, he is the naval guy who is the one of the finest sprinter in India, Manas. So he is recognized Indian Navy, as well as he is one of the best sprinter in the India. And the swimming, you know that swimming is the one thing you have to remember, Indian Navy, which encourages whoever is good swimmer, he can directly practice and he can get the medals for India also, and he can do well in international. And the cricket players, there are players in India who wants to do good, and they have rocked well, and they are the best, and they have done their maximum and even got selected in IPL also. He is the one you have to remember. And the volleyball team, yes, one of my friend, as you can see from the left to there is a second person, he was selected for the volleyball team, and he had got that into the command team and followed by the Navy championship. He was a part of Navy team and he got into the international team also. That depends on your performance as well as the health, how you how your health will be there. So you have to spend some amount, whatever the amount you gain from the salary, you have to spend on your own health. And the kabaddi team we have in Indian Navy, there is a kabaddi team as well. The players are there from the maximum from Haryana. So this kabaddi team is the one you have to remember, which is very important. You have to remember. So that kabaddi team also, the Indian Navy encourages the kabaddi team. And the water sports, we knew that Indian Navy has got various water sports. In this water sports, as you can see, windsurfing, parasailing and oceanic expeditions, everything are there in Indian Navy. You can directly go through them. So this is one place where you want to learn and you want to make something your life more attractive and more adventurous. That is one thing. You can directly go through this. And the awards have been given to the various players, that is Arjuna awards have been given. You can directly go through the respective internet how exactly you will be promoted and you will be given the recognition up to the Arjuna awards. Next we have the coaches and the jobs in Indian Navy. After you finish your naval career, if you think that you want to coach, you will be the coach for the respective juniors of players, and you can even come out of this Navy and you can directly go through the civil field and you can join as a coaches. So you have, after the retirement, this opportunity is also available. This is one thing I want to tell you guys. Whoever has interest in the sports, they can go through all these activities and they can rock in their life. Thank you guys. I hope this video will help you in understanding more and working towards your sports life, and you can join in defense as a sports person. Thank you. Have a good day. If you want anything PDF of GK and GS 2100, you can call me or message me by WhatsApp on 7666 730 252. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life, guys.